Today we are testing slime recipes. The first recipe is a simple recipe with soap and salt. Remember, this is an experiment, so things may not go correct. Let's get started. Put 10 squirts of soap. Now I'm putting 2 pinches of salt in my bowl. If you put too much salt, it becomes liquidy. I will keep adding pinch by pinch and mixing. As you can see, it did not turn out as I had expected. So it's time to start with another recipe. Let's get started. So now we're going to be making another slime with Suave Kids 3-in-1, lotion, shaving gel, salt, and a bit of water. Water.
Action.
This turned out to be really slimy slime. I'm really impressed.